guest speakers, sir. To our active curriculum implementation division chief education supervisor, Rogelio H. Pasinos, Doctor of Philosophy, sir. Our motherly public school district supervisor, Alice M. Sugay, Doctor of Philosophy, ma'am. The active, young, and hardworking principal of our beloved alma mater, Mrs. Augusta D. Sales, ma'am. Other school heads from the different barangay schools, thank you very much, ma'am, sir, for raising this memorable occasion. Our equally talented and very competent teachers, our dear and loving parents, fellow graduates, and batch 2024, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As we stand on the brink of a new chapter in our lives, I am filled with immense pride and gratitude to address you today. Each one of us has embarked on a remarkable journey filled with growth, learning, and unforgettable memories. Today marks not only the culmination of years of hard work and dedication, but also the beginning of an exciting new adventure. As we prepare to step into the wider world, let us carry with us the lessons we have learned within these walls. First and foremost, let us remember the importance of perseverance. Throughout our elementary years, we have faced challenges big and small, from mastering multiplication tables to navigating friendships. Yet, through determination and resilience, we have overcome every obstacle that has come our way, a trademark of ang kabataang Pilipinong matatag. As we move forward, let us continue to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and never lose sight of our ability to achieve greatness para sa ating kinabukasan. Secondly, let us cherish the power of kindness and compassion. In a world that sometimes seems chaotic and divided, it is important than ever to treat one another with empathy and understanding. Let us be the change we wish to see in the world, spreading love and positivity wherever we go. The government today was vision of a bagong Pilipinas characterized by a principled, accountable, and dependable nation whose objective is to realize the goals and aspirations of a kabataang Pilipino, adopting familiar or new mindsets, new values, new behaviors that will redound to the good of the country. Lastly, let us never forget the importance of dreaming big. As we stand on the cups of our futures, the possibilities are endless. Whether our dreams lead us to become doctors, teachers, artists, or astronauts, let us never lose sight of our passion and aspirations. With hard work, dedication, and belief in ourselves, we can accomplish anything we set our minds to. To our parents, may I request them to please stand for a while.
Parents daw. Ay, umupo ka naman, nakikita.
Who have been our guiding light since the moment we entered this world. We owe an immeasurable debt of gratitude. Fellow graduates, let us give them a resounding applause. You have been our first teachers, our fiercest advocates, and our wavering sources of love and encouragement. You have cheered us on through every setback. Your sacrifices, your dedication, and your boundless love have laid the foundation of our success. And for that, we are eternally grateful. With so much respect, you can now take your seat, our dear parents. To our teachers, may I request them to please be on stage with our school principal, ALS, the AOs, and disbursing officers, including those who retired and transferred within our time. Who have nurtured our minds and inspired our hearts. We owe a debt of gratitude beyond measures. You have not only imparted knowledge upon us, but have also instilled with us a passion for learning, a thirst of knowledge, and a belief in our own potential. To Ma'am Miret, you have challenged, motivated, and believed in me, even when I didn't believe in myself. And for that, I cannot thank you enough. As we bid farewell to our beloved elementary school, the Amulong East Central School, and look ahead to the adventures that awaits. Let us carry the lessons we have learned and the memories we have made with us wherever we go. Congratulations, class 2023 to 2024. Our future is bright and I cannot wait to see the incredible things each and every one of us will achieve. Mabuhay tayong lahat! Thank you very much. Congratulations once again.